Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So let's start today's topic. So my today's topic is the Indian numbering system and also the international numbering system. So first let's start with Indian numbering system. So I took one example. These you can see the digits over here. 74206893. These are the digits we need to take for the Indian numbering system. I already make one table. So there is, you can see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In Indian system, always remember that after 10,000 there is lakh, 10 lakh and crore. See, once again I repeat it: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So as you can see, I already took the number 74206893. So we will group each and every number. So we always start with the right hand side. So you can see in the right hand side we have the digit 3. So what is this position? Ones position. So I already write here ones, tens, 100. So as I told you that we should always start from the right hand side. So here you can see 3, where we should put the 3 in place of ones. So ones, 3 is in the ones place. Next digit is 9. So 9 should be in the tens place, and the next digit is 8. 8 should be in the 100 place. Now this finish, ones, tens, 100. Now 1000. So what is our next digit? 6. So we should place 6 is in the 1000 place. Now next digit is 0. So we should place 0 in the 10,000 place. Now see, what is the next digit? 2. So we should place 2 in the lakh position. Clear? Now what is our next period? 10 lakh. And our next digit 4. So we should place 4 is in the 10 lakh position. Now what is our next period? Crore. So we should place 7 is in the crore position, crore place. Okay. So see, 3. So this, what is this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So see, in the Indian numbering system we have 3 digits in ones, tens, 100 group, 3 digits. Now see, in the 1000 group, how many digits are there? 1, 2. So we have 2 digits in the 1000 group. Now 1 and 2. How many digits are there in lakh group? We have 2 digits in lakh group. So this is lakh group and this is ones group. So see, now we have crore group. We have only one number in crore group, but yes, there is 10 crore after crore, but this 10 crore we will discuss in our next classes. So now we need to write these numbers in words. So how you will write this number? So see, firstly we should repeat. We are going to repeat this. Okay. So from left hand side we are going to repeat this. 7 crore 42 lakh. Okay. Now 6,000. 06 means 6,000 group. Okay. Now 893. How you will write in word? See, what you have the digit in the crore place? 7. So we should write in the word 7. 7 is in which place? Crore. So 7 crore. First digit, okay, and then place. Now 42 means 40 2. So 42 is in which group? Lakh group. So we are going to write here lakh. So see now 7 crore 42 lakh. Finish here. Now come to the thousand group. So what is there in thousand? 06 means 6. 6,000. Now come to the next group, ones group. So what is the digit here? 8. 800. 893. So it's very simple. 7 crore 42 lakh 6,893. So this is in Indian system. Okay, clear? Now next is international numbering system. I already make the table same as the Indian system. So see, and I also took the same digits to explain or to difference between the Indian or international system. So here you can see the number 74206,893, the same number I took. So from here I already told you that we should always start from right hand side. So what is the digit in right hand side? 3. Again, so in international system, how we will write? See, first is ones from right hand side, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000. Okay, but in Indian system, what's there? Lakh. Okay, but in international system, this one is 100,000. Again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So we should place comma. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, then 10 million. Okay, so here see, ones, tens, 100, then comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then comma, then million, and then 10 million. Okay, then if there is more number, then it should be 100 million. Okay, so now we will discuss only till here. See, now what is the number in ones position? 3. We should write is in the ones position. So next, what is the number? 9. So we should write the number 9 in the tens position. Okay, so this, what is this? The ones, tens, 100. So it should be the group ones group. Now next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. These all are 1000. So that means this is in 1000 group. So million and 10 million. So what is this group? Named million group. So let's start. So again, ones, tens, 100 is in ones group, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000 is in 1000 group, and then million and 10 million is in million group. So let's start with the digit. So I already make the table and I already separate each and every digit in their position, in their places. So how you write? So see, we should always start from right hand side. So what is the digit in right hand side? 3. So you should place the 3 in the ones position. Now next digit is 9. So we should place the 9 in the tens position. So what is the digit next? 8. So we should place the 8 in the 100 position. This group finish. Now come to the next group, 1000. So how many digits is in the 1000 group? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. So let's start. As we already separated it using comma, so what is the next digit? 6. So we should place the 6 in 1000 group. Okay. So next, 0. So we should place 0 in the 10,000 position. What is the next digit? 2. So we should place 2 in the 100,000 position. So it means the group of 1000 is completed. Next, come to the group million. So what is this here? Next digit is after 2, 4. So we should place the 4 is in the million position. Now see, what is the digit in the after 4? 7. So we should place the 7 is in the 10 million position. Okay. So let's see how you will write these digits in word. Let's start. See, what are digits here? 7. You should write here 7 in word. Now 7, what is the position of the 7? 10 million, but we should write 74 because this is this 2 digit in the same group. So we should write like 74. 74 means 74. So what is the position of this number? 74, million. So you should write million here. 74 million. Now next, come to the group 1000. 2. What is the position of 2? 200,000 means 200. 200 finish. Now 200 here only 0. So we should write 6. 206. Finish 206. Now what is the group of this number? 206,000. So 206,000. Okay. See again. 74. Okay. What is the position of this digit? 74, million. The group is million. So we write here million. Okay. Now next 206. Right. So 206. So what is the position of or what is the group name? 1000. So 206,000. Finish. Now next 8. What is the position of 800? So write here 800. 93 means 93. 93. So finish. Repeat it. 74,206,893. This digit and these words is in the International Numbering System. So this is how we will write in International Numbering System. Understand? Now here see the difference between Indian system and international system. So I already make a table. For the first row is for the Indian system and second row is for the international system. See for the Indian system, 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, and for the international same, 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, but till 10,000, and after 10,000 there it is differ. So what is the difference? After 10,000 in Indian system should be lakh, but in international system after 10,000 should be 100,000 for the international system. Only this one after 10,000 should be difference, but till 10,000 should be same for Indian and international system. So see here, for Indian system you should remember always that after 10,000 should be lakh, and for international system after 10,000 should be 100,000. Again see for the Indian system after lakh 10 lakh, and for the international system after 100,000 million. Now see for the Indian system after 10 lakh crore, and for international system after million 10 million. So these Indian system how many digits? 1, 2, 3, and for the international also 1, 2, 3. See, for the Indian system, how many digits in 10,000 group? 1, 2. Okay, in 1000 group. In this 1000 group. In Indian system, how many digits? 2 digits. But in international system, in 1000 group, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now next, in Indian system, for the lakh group, how many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits. This 2 for the Indian system. But now see, for the Indian system, there is crore. So how many digits in crore term? 7. Means 1. There is only 1 digit in crore group. Okay, for the Indian system. Now for the international system, there is million and 10 million. So in the million group, how many digits? 1, 2, 7, 4. So 2 digits are in the million group. These 2. Okay. Now see how you will write using commas for Indian and international both. 2 different between them. See, we have the digit 7, 4, 2, 0, 6, 8, 9, 3. For the Indian system, ones, tens, 100, then comma after 3 digits. Then only for one time you should place after 3 digits here comma, and after that 2 digit, then 2 digit, then again 2 digit. So see here, ones, tens, 100 finish, 1000, 10,000, then comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, then here comma, then crore. For the Indian system, firstly you should place after 3 digits, then 2, and again 2. Now see, for the international system, again I am going to write here the same digits down these numbers. Here ones, tens, 100, then comma. For first time we should place 3 after 3 digits, then again ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So these 3 digits in the same group, 1000. That's why we are putting here the comma after 3 digits. So for international, first 3 digit and again 3 digit, then again 3, again 3, again 3. But for Indian system, only first time 3 digits, then again, then 2, and again 2. So here finish for the international system. Okay, so this is the difference between the Indian and international system. I hope you all understand these terms.